Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Horizon Life in Forza Horizon 5. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and reliable. Then, simply launch the game from your preferred platform, whether it's a console or PC. Once the game loads, take a quick look at the main menu. You should see indicators that confirm your online status, preparing you for the vibrant world of Horizon Life. Once you are in the game, pause it and head over to the Online tab. Here, you can easily verify if your Horizon Life session is currently active. If you find yourself offline, don't worry. Simply look for the Find New Session option. Selecting this will prompt the game to search for and connect you to an available online session, getting you back into the action with other players. Experiencing connection issues. A quick restart of both your game and your internet router can often resolve many problems. Also, it's a good idea to check your firewall settings to ensure they aren't inadvertently blocking Forza Horizon 5 from connecting online. Finally, always confirm there are no pending game updates or widespread platform service outages that might be affecting your ability to join Horizon Life. For the most stable experience, consider connecting your device with a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Additionally, check your network's NAT type. An open or moderate NAT type is ideal for online gaming. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Forza support. They can provide more personalized assistance to get you connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.